The donation of Constantine in the 4th century gave sweeping powers to the Roman Church. What was this document, and was it legitimate?
As Rome's political prestige increased, and it gained more and more power among the nations, there were, of course, occasions when these powers would ask, "Excuse me, but what gives you the right to wield this political power in the first place?" And over the centuries, many forgeries of documents were produced to substantiate the claims of Rome. One of these documents was the so-called Donation of Constantine, where it is proposed that Constantine not only gave ecclesiastical power to the Bishop of Rome, but also the political clout that it laid claim to, and that it introduced into the system the capacity and the ability not only to rule in ecclesiastical matters, but also in temporal or political matters.
The Donation of Constantine is an admitted forgery, which historians believe was most likely composed in the 8th century and released publicly in the 13th century. It pretends to have been written by Emperor Constantine the Great to Pope Sylvester I in the 4th century, and was supposed to be Constantine's gift to the Pope for curing him of leprosy when Sylvester baptized him. In it, Constantine apparently gave the Pope authority over all the bishops in the world, endowed rich gifts upon the Lateran Basilica, allowed church leaders to become senators, granted the Pope the same honorary rights as the Emperor, along with an imperial crown and cloak, and presented him with a large territory, the western region of the empire. It claimed that the emperor had even honored the Pope by leading the horse upon which he rode. In the donation, Constantine also explained that in respect to the Pope, who alone should exercise power in Rome, he had moved his capital to Constantinople. For centuries, the donation was used to justify papal claims. It wasn't until 1440 that the donation was proven to be a fraud.
Coming September 1 on ADtv.watch, the long-awaited Conviction Series Episode 1. Watch for the exclusive premiere available on August 12th only on ADtv.watch. Are you a user yet?